the last day of TCEI Expo. It's early in the morning and doors open in an hour. It's a short day, just 9 to 11 that the doors will be open to the expo hall. Now these things were for a punch card. There were 6 checkpoints and you had to find them. And this one in particular was the one that I could not find because I didn't think to look outside, but then I finally, it clicked. Hey, maybe there's something by the box trucks, and there it was. And according to my watch, I put 4 miles on yesterday walking around the hall looking for these checkpoints. I was determined. I have no idea what the drawing prize is, but I got my exercise in. Oh, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
As you can see, it's pretty quiet right now, but it will get crazy soon. So at 11, we get to start tearing this monstrosity down, but that's okay. We're used to putting in the work, getting it done. We can do the same for you. All right, here we are tearing down. I'm supervising, of course.